In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see report on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your statements and reports, how to choose the right one, and how to download it in just a few clicks, whether you're on desktop or the mobile app. First, open your Wise account and head to your list of balances. You'll see each currency you hold, like USD, EUR, or GBP. Click the currency you want to see a report on. This matters because Wise organizes statements by currency, so picking the right one ensures your totals, fees, and transactions match what you expect for that specific balance. Once you're inside the currency view, look toward the top right corner and click the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu, and it's where Wise keeps tools that aren't shown directly on the main screen. If you don't see it immediately, try scrolling up a bit so the header reappears. From that menu, select Statements and Reports. This opens the hub for all downloadable documents related to that currency. Think of it as your filing cabinet. It's where you can grab official statements for proof of balance, transaction summaries for bookkeeping, or detailed activity reports for reconciliation. Now, choose the statement or report you want to see. If you need something official for your records or to share with your accountant, pick a statement. If you're doing analysis, taxes, or expense tracking, a report with line-by-line details can be more helpful. Depending on your region and account type, you may see options like monthly statements, custom date range statements, or transaction reports. Pick the one that best fits your purpose. Next, select the date or date range. Be precise here. If you're reconciling a month, match the exact start and end dates. For a custom period, set the range that covers all the transactions you need. When everything looks right, click Download. Wise typically generates a file right away. On desktop, it usually arrives as a PDF for statements or a CSV for reports, and it will land in your browser's default Downloads folder. On mobile, it may open a Share or Save dialog so you can store it where you prefer. That's all there is to it. Quick recap. Open the currency, tap the three dots, go to Statements and Reports, choose the document type, set your dates, and download. If your file looks empty or incomplete, double-check that you selected the correct currency and the correct date range. And if you manage multiple currencies, just repeat the same process for each balance you want to document.